Good afternoon, children. So I think that you got a message that you are promoted to the 6th class. So very good news to you. I'm dealing the math subject to you myself, Shabana. Already I taught you in the 4th and 5th classes. This year also I'm teaching you the math syllabus to you. And this is your maths 6th class textbook. And this is your first paper of your textbook. This is the second paper and these are the papers. And this is the first chapter. And you are seeing here colorful page. This is the index page. This is the index page of your book. In this one you are seeing the clearly. The first one is the knowing our numbers. And second one whole numbers. Third chapter playing with the numbers. Fourth one basic geometrical ideas. Fifth one measuring of the lines and angles. Sixth one integers. Seventh one fractions and decimals. Eighth chapter data handling. Ninth chapter introduction to algebra. 10th chapter perimeter and area. 11th one ratio and proportion. 12th one symmetry. 13th one practical geometry. 14th lesson, 14th chapter understanding 3D and 2D shapes. I know that in this all the chapters already you know some chapters you learnt in the 4th class, that is numbers. You know the number system, Indian international place value system, and how to write how to use the places, how to write in the number clearly with the number name, and where to you should place the commas, everything clearly given in this chapter. And you know that basic geometrical ideas, how to draw a line, how to draw the angle, and how to measure the angle, what is the instrument we will use to measure the angle, everything you know. And comes here the 7th chapter fractions and decimals. It's a very easy that you are learning from the 4th class to the fractions and decimals chapter. And come to the 8th chapter data handling. This is a very important and easy chapter for you. In this chapter you will learn about the tally marks, pictograph, bar graph. And comes here the symmetry. This is the 12th chapter. You are learning this chapter from the 4th class to drawing the symmetry line in the given figure, the reflection, the image, everything you can learn in this chapter. And 13th one practical geometry. This is very important chapter in this 6th class. How to draw the angle, how to draw the triangle with using the protractor, without using the protractor, using the instruments, compass and then scale. This how to draw the triangles you can learn in this chapter. Now we will see the first chapter here. This is the first chapter. This is the first chapter, knowing our numbers. You are seeing that 1.1 introduction is given for you. Here one of the picture is given. In this picture you are seeing the conversation between the Uma and Lata. So it is a panchayat. In this panchayat you are seeing clearly. Here some numbers are given for you. How many people are there in this village, and number of the men, number of the women, number of the children, number of the households, and then how many paka houses are there and kacha houses are there. Everything is given for you. So this is this conversation between the Lata and Uma, that how to read a number they expressed each other, and Uma read the particulars on the wall and understood the figure. She also asked Lata about lakhs and crores, as the teacher had discussed the population in lakhs and crores in the class. So yeah, lakhs and crores we will see in the Indian system only. Lakhs means how many digits. You can use your fingers, these are the fingers that this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. And this is the sixth one. You can see your fingers that ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. And the sixth finger is called the lakhs. In the lakhs you are having 6 digits, and then your 7 digits. If you open the 7 fingers, this is the 10 lakhs. If you open the 8 fingers, this is the crore. And if you open the 9 fingers, 10 crores will be there. In the 10 crores, 9 digits will be there, 9 places will be there. And come and look at here. 1.2 I am showing here, estimating and comparing numbers. Estimating and comparing numbers means here how you are comparing. For example, in your home, you and then your brother are there. Who is the taller one? So both will not be taller. Only one person will be shorter and one person will be taller person will be there. Here also a set of the numbers will be given for you. In this set of the numbers, which is the greatest and smallest, you can identify very easily. Now I will show you that how you can identify. Come on, see this number. This is the 3,845. This is the 485. This is the 34. This is 1340. 13,845. In this number, you are having 4 digits. Here you are having 3 digits. You are having 2 digits. Here you are having 5 digits. So come on, you can compare yourself. You can check that the number which is having more digits, that is the greatest number. And the number having less number of the digits, that is the smallest number. So he given already the answers. 13,845 is the greatest number. And the smallest is the 34. Why? It is having 5 digits and it is having 4 digits. Now, you are having your own textbook. Now, you are seeing, you are having your own textbook. So, you can do this work. Now, I will explain you the second one and then third one and fourth one. You do your work. Now, come on, look at this number. It is having 3 digits, 856. This number having 4 digits, 1459. This number having 5 digits, 35,851. This number having 2 digits, this is the 23. Now you can identify easily which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Now we will fill this answer. Which is the greatest number? Already I think that you understand this one and you written the answers also. 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 2 digit. So in this one, 35,851 is the greatest number. Why? It is having 5 digits. And which is the smallest? I know that you find the answer, that is the 23. Why the 23 is the smallest? It is having only 2 digits. So it is the smallest and it is having 5 digits. So it is the greatest number. So I think that you will do the third and fourth problems also very easily. Now this similar thing we will do in the exercise 1.1. You are seeing carefully here. I am showing the phone. Exercise 1.1. That is the first one, which is the greatest and the smallest among the group of numbers. So this is the first bit related to just now we done, no? Same like that only. You can make a table and you can do same like that only. So now I am showing here clearly to you. So same, this bit you can do like that. First make a table and write like this headings: serial number, numbers, greatest number, smallest number. And here the exercise 1.1, you are having 5 problems. These 5 problems you can note down as in the table given, same like that only, and you can write the greatest and smallest. Just now I will show you like this in the book. Come on, I am drawing one of the table here. I think that you are keeping one special book for the maths. Why? Means regularly you are getting the maths lessons related to the topic every day. I will send you the topics and you should do in your book. Whenever the school reopen, I will check your books. So write neatly and don't make any mistake. If you are having any doubt, you can call and you can ask me. So like this, you are having 5 problems. You have to do like that. Okay, write like that. Numbers. So you are having in your textbook. This is the first problem. 15,432. 15,892. 15,370. 15,524. Now, just I am writing these first numbers here. You are seeing here 15,432. 15,892. 15,370, 15,524. So first write like that. You are looking here. This is the first problem. Come on, count how many digits are there. It is having 5 digits. Come on, look at here. It is also having 5 digits. And it is also having 5 digits. And it is also having 5 digits. All are having 5 digits. So you can't identify correctly which is the small and which is the big. Now just I will show you that clearly. 5 digit means it is the 10,000. How many 10,000s? 1, 1, 1, 1. Same. Now go through the thousands. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Here also you can't identify correctly. Now 400, 800, 300, 500. Now 4, 8, 3, 5. which is the big one? So this is the big digit. So this digit having number, that is the greatest number. And which is the smallest one in this three, among three? Okay, good. This is the smallest one, greatest one, smallest one. Just I took the hundreds place. Why? 10,000 and thousands places are same. 15,000, 15,000, 15,000, 15,000. So we should go to the next place, which is the hundreds. Here 400, 800, 300, 500. Which is the big one? 800 is the big one. And which is the smaller one? 300 is the smaller one. So 15,892 is the greatest number. Greatest number. Greatest number. And 15,370 is the smallest one. I hope that you understand. First check the highest places, that is 10,000. Next to go to the thousands place. Then also you are getting the same digits, go to the hundreds place. Then also you are getting the same places, go to the tens place. There also you are getting the same places, go to the ones place and find out the greatest and smallest. So now I will do the second problem which is given in your textbook, that is 25,073, 25,289, next 25,800, next 25,623. These are the four numbers given. Now I will show you how to identify. Just now I told, no, same like that only. First, it is having 5 digits. It is also having 5 digits. It is also having 5 digits. It is also having 5 digits. Good. Now 10,000s. How many? 2. How many? 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. So all are having same digit in the 10,000s place. Now go to the thousands place. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Here also you are having 5,000 only. Now 1,000 and 10,000 both are similar, are they? So we will go to the hundreds place, that is 0, 2, 8, 6. That digits we will take. Why? You are having different digits in the hundreds place. That I am noting down for you. You can see clearly. It is the first problem. It is the second problem I am showing you. 0, 2, 8 and then 6. Now you can identify which is the greatest one. Yeah, good. This is the 8 is the biggest number. And which is the smallest one? 0 is the smallest one. The number which is having 8 in the hundreds place, that is the greatest number. The number which is having 0 in the hundreds place, that is the small number. Okay, I think that you understood. Now I am writing the biggest number here. That is the 25,800. That is the biggest number. Next one, 25,073. It is the smallest. Understood, I think. It is having 25,000s, 25,000s, 25,000s.